To bring in Larrea Wealth Management founder and CEO, Achilles Larrea. And first of all, I want to pick up on this question I just asked Lance, right? So you've got brilliant people out there. Now, they're not selling a little bit, right? Billions of dollars worth of stock. For you, is that a red flag?
No, I don't see it as a red flag. I see it as a pause. And once we go forward, we're going to see a lot more buy-in. But they're looking for a way to get in and accumulate shares at some point.
And I'm talking like the Bezos of the world, selling $6 billion worth. Jamie Dimon, we put the chart up just to underscore just how impeccable his timing is. He buys the stock on dips and he sells it. One of the positions was $30. I mean, he's made a lot of money in this. I don't know that there was any urgency for him to sell it. I think it was the first time he was really a seller of JP Morgan. So those things kind of make you wonder.
Yeah, it does, absolutely. And there are opportunities that they might know about that we don't know at this particular point, and they're going to take advantage of them at this point. But your average investor doesn't have that type of information, but they can go in after any pause, go buy and accumulate more shares, and basically make more money doing that.
But the pause would mean that they'd be anticipating a pullback, some sort of opportunistic time. I mean, we got Warren Buffett sitting on almost $170 billion. So there's a lot of brilliant folks who haven't bought into this AI-driven rally. What do you make of it? I mean, it's you can't deny AI. You can't deny the impact it's going to have on society. But right now, it's just the picks and shovels part. I mean, should the whole market be going up like this?
I don't think the whole market should be going, and the whole market isn't going like this. But the NVIDIA news came out, and everybody's on the bandwagon right now. I say the exact opposite, that we're going to look for that pause. We're going to go and buy, but at the same time, to be strategic about where you're getting in. You're going to continue to see. We're still in the early season of AI. There's a lot of opportunity to make millions.
If you compared it to the tech bubble, you're saying it would be 1995, 1996?
I would say 1996 more so this point.
Yeah. I mean, because the irrational exuberance, I think a lot of people forget that when Alan Greenspan mentioned irrational exuberance, the market will continue to be irrational and exuberant for another 4 years. So it's tough to pinpoint the tops on these things.
Yeah, it's tough to time these things, and there's a lot of opportunity. You got to take advantage of it, and you got to be in it.
Let's talk about opportunities, though, because you've got three ideas you like. Palantir, I think, for a long time, people didn't understand the business model, saying it was too opaque. They came out with such an extraordinary earnings report recently that a lot of folks have jumped on the bandwagon, and they say this is indeed an alternative AI play. You like it here?
Oh, I love it. Right now, we had start getting into it around $16 a share or so, and we've ridden it up to $23 right now. At the same time, we believe there's a lot more potential. This could easily be $30+ a share. There's a lot of opportunity if you have the gumption to get in now or get in when a dip occurs.
Taiwan Semi had an earnings report, too, about 2 months ago, about a month or so ago. Such a great report, also kind of rejuvenated this semiconductor rally before the AI part of it took off. You still like it here?
Yeah, even though we have a lot of geopolitical risk at this point, the thing with they're moving into the United States and building factories there, there's a lot of opportunity for this stock. Even with what's going on with China, we believe that there's an opportunity to make a lot of money here, and the stock has proven us wrong again and again by going up.
Speaking of geopolitical issues, Raytheon, everyone kind of understands the defense contractors. It seems like a layup. Sometimes these things that seem so obvious don't necessarily work out, but you're confident this is the name in that whole area that probably you want to be in the most?
Yeah, it's so diversified as far as their incomes. You got so many different companies there, but Raytheon's one of those companies. We got problems in the Suez, we got problems in Israel, the Ukraine. They've got their hands in all those pots. They are going to continue to make money in all those areas and do so in a more strategic way because they're in so many different, you got the all the defense contract, potential space going forward.
Right.
There's a lot to work with there, still in the early part.
All right. Achilles, thank you very much. Really great having you on.